Here's how to install the Telegram app on your iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data and running an up-to-date iOS version. Unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Tap the search icon at the bottom. Type Telegram in the search bar and press Search. Look for Telegram Messenger. The developer should be Telegram FZ LLC. This helps you avoid fake apps. Tap Get or the download icon. Confirm using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch Telegram. Enter your phone number. Verify it with the SMS code and allow notifications if prompted. And that's it. You've successfully installed Telegram on your iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone and app tutorials.